Hi everybody, well today I'm going to be taking a cutting of this. I call it a tree aloe. I'm not quite sure. I'd be very happy if somebody out there could tell me if I'm wrong about that or if I'm right, or even give me the proper name. That'd be great if you could leave that in the comments down below. Anyway, this is my plant that I keep indoors. I've taken cuttings from this before, so I'm going to take more cuttings today and I'm going to show you how I do it and why I do it really. The reason why I do it is pretty simple, because if you follow the main stem up and 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 up, it's pushing into the roof. So it's getting far too big and I've got to cut a big piece off and give it a fresh start, because with these, if you cut a piece off like I have done just here with this one, then they grow. So I'm thinking I might cut it about there. That'll give me plenty of cuttings, plus it's a nice place for it to start a new growth, because quite often they'll grow 2 or 3 stems from one cut stem. If you look up there, it's really strange really. Plants are wonderful, aren't they? Can you see that little bend there where it's been resting itself on that shelf? That's great, isn't it? Anyway, less talking, more action. Let's get started with those cuttings. So I've decided to cut the plant here on this bend. It's going to leave it plenty of room to grow, and like I said, it'll probably send up 1, 2, 3 different shoots and it'll look pretty good really. So it's caught up with a little bit of string. I've just got to take that bit of string away, and then I've got the plant, the bit that I'm going to use. It's quite a big piece. It's bigger than I thought. Now that's nice. So off we go to the workbench. I'm going to take off this bottom part. It's quite a big woody part. I mean, it might take cuttings, I'm not too sure, but I've got plenty left that I'm going to use. So I'll put that one to one side. Then I'm going to strip off all of these leaves, and all of them. I'm going to leave a few on the top. So when I've done this, I'll see you back here. Okay, I've done that. Now I'm going to take the top piece, trim it down, take off these leaves here, make it quite small. Now this is the most likely one that's going to take root, so I'm going to take care of this guy. Put that one to one side, and then I'm going to do the rest. About 3 or 4 inch pieces should be fine. Now the thing is, you really got to make sure you keep them the right way up. You don't want it going in upside down, they're just not going to grow. So we put those to one side, and then we're going to move up on to the next step. So there they are. I've got 5 cuttings there. That's a good start. Take a pot into which I've got some general purpose potting compost, but I've mixed with it a little bit of agricultural grit. Give it a bit of extra drainage. And I'm going to put these in about halfway. Put them in about 2 inches. That should be fine. So I'm going to put all of these in. I've got 4 around the edge, and then I'm going to put the favourite one right smack bang right in that middle there. There we go. That's those all done. Now I'm just going to give them a little drink. Not too much, because you've got to remember these are succulents anyway, and if you give them too much water, they're going to just rot off at the bottom. There we are. Job done. Please remember, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. I'll put lots of useful information on there. Thanks for watching. So bye from me, and I'll see you all again next time.